Hello, my name's Jo Garden and I'm here to tell you about our one-day abstract art workshop. This is a day for you to just lose yourself in and enjoy messing around with paint and different products. You don't have to have any background in painting, it's there for you to just enjoy. It could be that you already are a bit of an artist and haven't tried abstract before. So come along and use my products, use my studio and have an enjoyable day. We have two canvases, choice of canvases. You can either go for this long, thin block, it's actually pine, or two shorter bits of pine. You also have a little trial block because we start the day by experimenting. It gives you time to just break into using the products, and I'll take you through the stages of a sample piece of work. We'll go through lots of techniques, layering, how to build up colour, it adds depth, how to add marks, how to create stencils, how to use other products, crayons, mark makers, all sorts of different things, just to make a difference. The art is for you to take home at the end of the day, and it already has string on the back, and I provide fixings for you to just put it onto your wall, whether you have plasterboard or whether you've got brick walls. Through the day, I explain all the techniques. There's no pressure here, you just do what you want to do. If you want to harmonise your work into a special room, before you come, I will have asked you to pick a colour. It could be that you want to harmonise it in with a piece of furniture and you've got a cushion or a swatch of fabric to bring along. Bring it along and we'll make sure it all matches in. And so it really becomes very special when you take it home. If you haven't got anything that you want to match it in with, then I'll ask you to choose your favourite colours. And at that point, we'll base the artwork on those colours, but it could be that we add spicy colours to go with it. If you like muted and soft colours, then we'll keep to muted and soft colours. But if you like to have something that's vibrant, then I've got some very vibrant stuff. At the end, we add a little bit of bling if you'd like it. I've got gold, silver and copper leaf that you can just add in either strips or, just splodges. It's there just for you to use. So I hope you can join us on one of the days. I have about one a month and they're all bookable on the website. I'm going to now show you some photographs from workshops we've already held. We've seen some fabulous work go through the studio, so I thought I'd show some of the people's works off. So thanks very much and I hope to see you.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Reeds drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. Ooh. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. The river running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonflies all